Hello everyone! Join me as we draw a cute school building. A bright, happy school with windows, a big front door, and a bell on top. Alright, let's go! Let's start with the roof. Can you guess what shape we'll use? That's right, a triangle. Let's draw a big triangle on top. Schools come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny one-room schools to huge buildings with hundreds of classrooms. What should come next? How about the big front door where students walk in? Let's draw a rectangle right in the center. Schools usually have lots of windows. Let's add a few squares or rectangles for windows to make it bright and friendly. How about a bell tower at the top? Let's add a cute little bell on the roof. If you could add something special to the school, what would it be? Are we ready to add some happy details? We could make it look friendly with little decorations around the door. Great job, everyone! Our school building is all drawn. Now it's time to bring it to life with colors. Take out your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to hit the bell button to ensure you don't miss any new videos. Schools sometimes have a special bell that rings to let students know when classes start. Many schools have a playground where kids can play, run, and make friends. Some schools have big libraries filled with books for kids to read and explore. Schools have flags outside that wave in the wind, often showing the school's country flag. There are special rooms in schools like art rooms, music rooms, and science labs. Schools often have gardens or green areas where students learn about plants and nature. Teachers in schools help kids learn about numbers, letters, art, and so much more. Some schools have canteen where kids can eat lunch with friends. Schools are places where we can learn, make friends, and have lots of fun. So nice! Our school looks amazing. It is as colorful and cheerful as you. I'm so proud of you, Pinky Artist. Thanks for drawing with me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.